Hi, so we're entering the hardware lab 3 right now. This is the room 1 and this is the second room. For this room, right, I think a lot of the computer engineering modules are taken here, like 2003, which is Digital Systems Design, or ACOA. So in the second room, right, we took digital logic. This was one of the modules that made me decide that actually I want to be in computer engineering instead of computer science, because when I came in I was in computer science. Yeah.